If you are a new parent, you have probably realized that your kitchen sink has become your second home. You spend hours scrubbing crusty milk film, twisting brushes into tight plastic corners, and boiling water to sterilize parts, all while running on 3 hours of sleep and pure caffeine. But it's 2026. These aren't just simple steam boxes, they are fully automated appliances that wash with detergent, rinse, steam, sterilize, and HEPA dry your bottles from start to finish. You put a dirty bottle, press a single button, and walk away to actually get some sleep. But with three major brands dominating the market right now, namely Baby Brezza, Momcozy, and GROWNSY, which one actually deserve your hard-earned money and precious counter space? Let's find out which automated washer is the perfect fit for your family. Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. Brezza's biggest engineering triumph isn't actually how it washes. Unlike almost every other competitor, the Baby Brezza requires zero sink hookups. It uses a standalone dual tank system, a 3-liter clean tank on top, and a dirty water collection tank at the back. This means you can put this machine anywhere: a nursery cot, a master bedroom closet, or a basement coffee station. It even has wheels on the bottom, so you can flip it around effortlessly. Mechanically, it uses 20 high pressure fixed spray jets. If you are a Dr. Brown's bottle user, this is your gold standard. Brezza engineered custom internal slots designed specifically to hold those notoriously frustrating long anti-colic vent tubes light over dedicated microjets. And to ensure your baby never ingests soap, Brezza programmed 3 separated rinse cycles. That's one more than its competitors, leaving a clinically proven 0% milk and detergent residue behind. Now, if Baby Brezza is about placement flexibility, the Momcozy Clean Pal Pro is about raw sweeping coverage. Momcozy saw Brezza's 20 fixed jets and raised the stakes to 26 multi-angle supply jets. Momcozy divided their fluid dynamics beautifully. 12 directional jets blast straight up into the core of up to 4 bottles, while 14 swirling vortex jets spin on a rotating arm to scrub the outside threads, where dried formula loves to cake. Because Momcozy is famous for their wearable breast pumps, this rack architecture is completely optimized for mixed odds. However, you need to know about its plumbing. The Clean Pal Pro requires a drain hose hooked up to your kitchen sink basin. It pumps dirty water out continuously, meaning it must live within a foot or two of your sink. It features 9 cleaning modes, including a blazing fast 19-minute quick wash and a 72-hour sterilized storage mode that purifies incoming air using a medical grade H13 HEPA filter. We have the dark horse of 2026, the GROWNSY Ease Clean Bottle Washer Pro, coming in at a much more aggressive price point. While Momcozy operates at 2200 pascals of water pressure, GROWNSY engineered a massive 24,000 pascal aquajet system. Wow! It matches Momcozy with 26 jets but forces the water out with incredible velocity while using 86% less water than hand washing. Where GROWNSY absolutely destroys the competition is the drying phase and noise level. It is whisper quiet compared to the Momcozy, and its optimized hot air circulation system ensures bottle come out 100% bone dry with zero condensation spots. GROWNSY also boasts a double layer design that can hold up to 8 slim bottles. While Brezza and Momcozy only give you standard 1 year warranty, GROWNSY gives you a 3 year warranty. So which one should you buy? It comes down to your specific pain point. Buy the Baby Brezza Washer Pro if you have zero counter space next to your sink. This machine is strictly rated for 120 volt, 60 hertz, meaning it's built for standard North American outlets. If you buy this in a region with 220 volt power, you will need a heavy duty voltage transformer to run it safely. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.